Stainshield TIG is an advanced argon-hydrogen combination developed by BOC for manual TIG welding, offering even greater control in manual TIG welding, which allows skilled professionals to achieve flatter, smoother weld beads. The small amount of hydrogen included, combined with argon, stiffens the welding arc and increases the fluidity of the welding pool, resulting in a neat, tidy bead free of defects. Hydrogen also enhances the finished appearance by removing oxygen from around the weld area to produce a bright, smooth finish. Stainshield TIG is ideal for a wide range of applications, from pipework through to stainless steel kitchens where appearance is critical. Ordering Stainshield, as well as our other shielding gases, is simple. Just go online to boconlineshop.com.